Hi guys, it's Angeline. I just wanted to share with you a quick video on the use of the Avon What's New catalog. And with each of your orders, you get for a minute we had an issue with it, but now it's back. For with each of your orders, you get a copy of the What's New in it, a physical book, but also there is the What's New that is available digitally for us as well. I'm going to share my screen with you as I'm already logged into my Avon account. And I just wanted to show you how we can use our Avon What's New. So there are two ways to access the Avon What's New. When we've logged in, we can see digital brochures. If we click on digital brochure, I'm on my laptop. And so you can see digital brochure. You can see the current brochure. We're in campaign 16 and the What's New for campaign 18, which is we're normally getting two campaigns ahead. And to the left, you see the What's New for campaign 17, which you still have access to as well. So you can click on it and the screen will populate with the book, which is a digital version of the physical book. You can click the pages to the right and you'll go on the same things that are in here will be populated and shown on screen. Wherever there is a this pink icon, you can click on it and shop. The pink icon means that it is shoppable, so you can shop the item. Now, with this, it shows you how much you pay depending on your sales level. So contender, premier, and president's club and so on, it will show you what you will pay for the particular item depending on where you are on the sales level. And of course, you can see the product information and other such information concerning the item. And this is one way that we can use our What's New. Now, the What's New is a preview book for us as representative. It also is a snippet of what comes in the larger brochure. Lots of the sales, the specials, the prices that are in the Avon What's New are for us as Avon reps. And you want to be careful not to give the same pricing to your customers because their price will be what is in the actual brochure when the item comes. It might seem a little confusing, but I can understand the rationale for it because it allows us to plan for our campaign, to plan for our income, to plan for our expenditure, because we know that if we're going to be paying X amount for it, then we can plan to know how many we can purchase if we're somebody who do vending and we have stock and so on, then it helps us to run our business properly. And then you want to have the awareness to know what to quote your customers as to the price that they will pay for the particular item. And so now, if you zoom, when I zoom into this, you will see, for example, this set, it breaks it down. It says what the brochure price is going to be, what my cost is going to be, and what the award sales are going to be. And so you want to be sure to, quote your customer the brochure price. Now, there are some items Okay, so that's how you use this one. This is the digital representation of the physical brochure. And that's how we want to use it, to know that once there's the pink icon, it is shoppable. You can shop this particular item. Now, you can also access the What's New items under Shop. I'm using my laptop once more, and you can do the same thing with when using your phone. And you go to What's New. Now, this is pretty much the same items that we just went through, and then some. So this is a larger representation of items that are accessible for us as representatives. And this is where you want to be particularly careful now, because this now is, so, okay, let's click on this item, this set. It comes up, and the price that I'm paying for it, it's $27.59. This is my price. And there is a note to the left that says, price is your cost, net, no commission. So this is what I will pay for the item. There is no commission on this price. This is my net price. Now, if I were to go back to the digital representation of the physical brochure, this is where then it breaks down. I'm trying to see if I can find the same set. Right. So now this is the set. It breaks down here that the brochure price is $45.99. So this is what you will charge your customers, $45.99 plus tax and service. Don't forget. And then you see here again, it tells you your cost is $27.59. So it's not confusing. It is really very clear. It might mean a little more time for us that, we take the time to understand what we are dealing with so that we can manage our business correctly. And these are a large pool of products, a large portfolio of products. And the good thing with this is we don't like it for sure, but this also tells us if the item that we are looking at is actually available. We don't like that it's not available, but it is what it is. At least we are informed as to whether it is available or not. And so this is, again, one other tool that we can use to manage our business, and that is the What's New. I hope that you find value in this. I just wanted to share with you how we can best use What's New to manage our business. If you find value in this, I would appreciate you if you would share it with someone that you think will benefit from it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. I need you. I need help. Thank you. God bless you. One love. Listen, we're in this business and we want to make some money and we want to manage our business well. So I hope that this is helpful. God bless you. One love. My name is Angeline.